Hello all, this is Shweta. Our today's topic is production function. It is a topic of managerial economics. In this video, points taken are meaning of production, meaning and definition of production function, mathematical equation of production function, basics of production, factors of production, types of production function and uses of production function. So firstly we will learn about production. Production is an activity that transforms input into output. Input like capital, land, entrepreneurship, labor, etc. These inputs may be changed according to the need of organization. Next, process. Process means using all the inputs for generating outputs, and output means the final product we get. Okay, so simply we can say that when inputs change into outputs through a process, it is called production. Clear? Now what is production function? Production function can be an equation, table or graph presenting the maximum amount of commodity that a firm can produce from a given set of inputs during a period of time. If we discuss on definition, Watson defined production function as the relation between a firm's physical production means output and the material factors of production means input. In simple words, we can say that production function refers to the functional relationship between the quantity of a product and factors of production. Okay? In this way, production function reflects how much output can we expect if we have so much of labor, so much of machinery and so much of capital. Why we call it function? Because on which combination of inputs we get the required quantity of output, increase and decrease in inputs, how much it affects the output. This is a relationship between inputs and outputs, so we may say it is a function. Production function can be mathematically written as Q is equal to F in bracket L, C, T and S on N, where Q is quantity of output, F is functional relationship between input and output, L is labor, C is capital, T is technology level and N is other inputs employed. Means inputs can be changed, so the level of output depends on the quantities of different inputs available to the firm. Okay? Now basics of production. These are the basics of production. First is land. Land includes all natural resources which are on the earth and under the earth like plants, minerals, oil wells, water, sunlight, forest products, etc. Next, capital. Capital is the amount which is used for production. Without capital, no work can be done in any profit earning organization. Next, labor. Every physical or mental efforts of human beings which is required to carry on the production process. There are so many works to do by human beings in production process. So labor is very essential input for output. Next is enterprise. Ability and action to collect, coordinate and utilize all production factors, and the person who manages all those works like utilizes the resources, coordinates, manages all the factors of production is called an entrepreneur, who is also essential for production. So these functions, factors are the basic factors of production, and these factors can be divided into two parts like fixed factors and variable factors. We need to understand these factors for understanding short run and long run production function. So fixed factors, are the factors of production which do not change during short run production process like land, machine, entrepreneurship, technology, etc. These are fixed. We cannot change them in short period of time. Okay? And variable factors are the factors which can be changed in short run and long run both to get the desired output. Examples of variable factors are raw material, labor, etc. If we increase the raw material, we can increase the production and so on. Now, the types of production function: short run production function and long run production function. In short run production function, input kept constant, and in long run production function, all inputs are variable. In detailed study of short run production function, there we can change only variable factors like raw material, labor, etc. Fixed factors like machine, building, technology cannot be changed. Short run production function is a function where there is a relationship between fixed and variable factors and output. So we can say that Q is equal to F, L and C. Quantity is a function of labor and capital. And production function in long run, all the factors or inputs are considered to be variable. As we are saying it long run means we have enough time to change all the factors, both variable and fixed, to get desired output. So the equation will be Q is equal to F, L, C, L, E, T, etc. means labor, capital, land, technology, etc. E denotes entrepreneurship or enterprise. This is the production function in short run and long run. Now the uses of production function are: production function helps to obtain maximum output. It helps the producers to determine whether employing variable inputs or cost are profitable. Production function is highly useful for long run decisions. It is least cost combination of inputs and to produce as outputs. So this is the simple introduction of production function. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe the channel, and if you want any other video on any other topic of commerce, you can write in the comment box below. Thank you.